Hi, welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa Sainode. Have you heard of carrot hot dogs? Basically, it's a carrot that's made to look and taste just like a hot dog. And it's super easy to do. We're going to show you how to make this delicious treat. This recipe starts with just a basic carrot, just ordinary carrots. And we're going to season them up and we're going to prepare them just like a hot dog. We're going to start by peeling our carrots and cutting them down to about the size of our hot dog buns. Then we're going to boil them just for about 5 minutes. We really just want to soften them up, and then we're going to allow them to cool. And after that, we are going to season them in a marinade. So there's lots of different takes on the marinade, but it's really pretty easy. I'm just using about 1/4 cup of soy sauce and a little bit of water, equal amounts soy sauce, water. I have 4 cloves of garlic, and then the secret ingredient is some liquid smoke. We're just going to add about 1 teaspoon of that. You can see I'm not really measuring. This is just a marinade. Our carrots are going to soak in it, and it's what's going to give the carrots the hot dog type flavor. Some of these recipes include apple cider vinegar or rice wine vinegar. There's lots of different seasoning marinade options. Do what seems good to you. After we put these in the marinade, we're just going to let them chill for about 2 to 3 hours, and then we're just going to saute them just like a hot dog in the pan. And we're going to saute them on about high heat so that we get a nice good sear on the edges of these carrots. So while I am sauteing these in a pan, you could probably also grill them as well. So we are just going to let these cook for just a little bit, and they're going to soften up a little bit as well. And you can see one of my carrot hot dogs broke, but that's okay. We're still going to go ahead and use it. But as you can see, the longer these cook, they start to get a nice little sear on them, just like a hot dog. And just because I like a hot dog bun a little bit toasted, I'm going to go ahead and add the hot dog bun to the pan as well, just to get a little bit of a toast on that. But you can see they're already starting to sear, and they look pretty much like a hot dog. So when I made these, I was really surprised at how much like a hot dog this tasted. We are going to go ahead and take them out of the pan, and just like a hot dog, we are going to serve it up in a bun. And then you can put your regular toppings on it. For me, I really just like a little bit of mustard on my hot dogs, but you can put ketchup, you can put just about anything on it, a little bit of relish, some onions, and you'll be surprised at how much it tastes just like a hot dog. I actually think it really looks like a hot dog too. If you do give this recipe a try, let me know what you think. Let me know if you thought it tasted just like a hot dog, or let me know how you changed up the recipe. And you will find more recipes, articles, and video at PenelCentral.com.